What's going on, everybody? So today we're gonna make a trap beat. I'm thinking piano melody with some guitar in it as well, but we'll see how it comes out. Anyways, let's jump right into this. Alright, so I'm gonna start with scalar 2 and kind of cheat some different melody chords together. Alright guys, so we got some chords, and if I'm seeming a little crazy today, it's because I just drank one of these bad boys and I am off the rails. Just a heads up. But anyways, let's continue here. Alright, so we got some decent chords laying down. I want to play around with these a little bit more, see if I can get it to sound a little better. Added in one here, added in one here. Put a G note right here. Put another E note in here and another D in here, just to kind of thicken up the chords a little bit. So this is what we got now. Alright, so it's starting to sound kind of heavy, kind of good, and now we can go ahead and get a guitar melody going. So let's do that. Oh, I like that. Alright. Get the hell out of here. Alright guys, so we got a basic ARP strum down now. Let's take a listen to it really quick. Alright, but I think we need to add a couple more notes to it just to give it some more body. So we're just going to play around with here, tap in some notes. Alright guys, so what I did is I actually rose the piano up another octave because we put the low notes in the guitar here. It's kind of fighting over the same notes as the piano. So now this is what it sounds like. Alright, so I like this one a lot better. I'm going to see if there's any reverb on here. Yeah, there's a reverb, so I'm going to take that off and add my own. See if we can add any vocals in here to kind of finish this up. Oof, that is... Alright guys, so I added in some simple vocal chops, basically played around with them a little bit, put some reverb on them, delay on one of them, and this is what we got right now. So really quick, I'm just going to EQ these two instruments and then we're going to move on and start building out the drums. copy this over, make this a little more fire. All right. 808, done. Alright, let's try that. Now I think we're going to have a really simple hi-hat pattern going on because we already got so much going on with the melody. We don't really need to take anything away from it. So alright, let's set this bad boy up really quick. Alright, so we're just going to do a basic setup here. We're going to have a little bit of an intro, then it's going to come right in, and it's going to change up just a little bit every so often. Something like this. We're gonna have our little bridge right here, and we're gonna repeat all this again. Duplicate that. We got ourselves a song. Alright guys, so that wraps up the tutorial. This beat actually came out super fire. Those vocal chops were mad hard. So anyways guys, if you like this video, slap a like on it for me. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I'll be seeing you guys again in the next one. Peace out.